What's the meaning of Constitution? Constitution. Constitution.
Constitution. Constitution. The Constitution is a set of fundamental principles and laws that govern a nation or organization. It outlines the rights and obligations of citizens or members, establishes the structure and powers of government, and protects individual liberties. The result of having a constitution is a stable and predictable political environment where everyone is subject to the same laws and rules. The Constitution provides a framework for resolving disputes and ensuring that power is balanced among different branches of government. It also serves as a symbol of national identity and unity.